So I'm back here with another video. So today I am going to show you how you can create your own affirmation cards with Canva and Chat GPT. And it's very easy and simple. Okay, so I'm now here on Chat GPT, and what I want to do is go down here and just basically type, I'm going to say, please give me 20 affirmations. Give me no. Let's just do 25 affirmations for business owners. Oops, I typed that wrong. So I'm just going to say, please give me 25 affirmations for a business owner. And once I do that, I'm gonna just click enter. So once I click enter, it should load those 25 affirmations up for me. So it's loading, it's about done. It loads it. It loads it pretty fast, so yes. So there is my 20 affirmations that Chat GPT has given me. And so what you want to do, make sure that you when it's I want to copy everything. So when I say copy everything, you go up here to, don't go to the first affirmation. Go up here to where it says of course, then you copy everything else there is to copy in Chat GPT. Hold on, because it's copying. So what I want to do, okay, so now I have it. Hold on, let me try this again because it's copying stuff I don't want it to copy. Okay, so now I have it. Like I said, please make sure where it says, of course, here are your 25 affirmations for a business owner to help boost confidence, motivations, and success. Please make sure you copy all of that. So I'm just going to go over here to copy. Then make sure you go to this one that I previously did. So I'm going to just exit out of here and show you how to do it again. So I'm going to exit out of there. I'm going to open a new tab, and I'm gonna just go back to Chat GPT, and there we have it. So I'm gonna click on Chat GPT. I mean, I did it wrong. I mean, go to Google Sheets. So let's go to Google Sheets. So Google Sheets will come up. Make sure you go to this one right here that says Google Sheets sign in. And right up here, before I paste it, I'm going to go ahead and name my document. So what I want to name it is business owners affirmations. And right here, where it has one, I'm gonna click out there, right click it, and I'm gonna hit paste. Do not click on paste special, click on paste, and you can just hit Control plus V on your keyboard. And there you have it. Now that I did that, I'm going to go up here to file, and you're going to go to download. Once you hit download, go over here to comma separated values, which will be your CSV. So I'm going to save that to my computer. Okay, so now I'm in Canva, and I have already created my template that I want to use for my affirmation card. It's very easy. It's just easy. It's just a line, and you just type in flowers, and you'll be able to find on flowers right there. And this is just what I got from the square shape, and you would just type in affirmation. It's very easy and simple to do. And the size that I did use was 2.75 by 4.75 inches. Please make sure you have it in inches if this is the size that you want to use. You can use whatever size that you would like to use, but this is the size that I decided to use. Okay, so now that we have the design out the way, what you want to do is go over here to your apps and type in bulk create. Once you click on bulk create, you just upload your CSV. But before I do that, let me just copy this so it'll know where to put that text at. Let me change this to black, and it'll know. So I'm gonna just leave this right here. You can use whatever font that you would like to use, but just make sure you have a text somewhere in that template. But now I'm gonna go back over here to upload CSV. But you please make sure that you create your design or pick a design that you want to use for your affirmation cards. So let's go over here to upload, and then I'm going to choose this one, and you see it right here. Now I want to go back over here to the template, hit those three dots, click on connect data, and click on that first text that we copied from ChatGPT. So as you can see, you can go ahead and make it bigger or smaller as you please before you paste it. So I have it how I want it to be. Now I'm gonna go back over here and click on continue. Make sure it has select all, because it will select every last one of them that you need. Now you just click on generate 26 pages, and then another tab will come up in Canva where it will upload all of those affirmations that you copy from ChatGPT. So as you can see, the first one is blank. You could go ahead and just delete that, and it will start from your first affirmation that you had copied. So, and there you have it. Like I said, it's very easy and simple to do, and it's like a very easy digital product that you could sell on Etsy and make income from it. It's very easy and simple to do. So I have that, and if you want to download, you can just go over here to share and just download. You just download it as a regular PNG, and you just hit download. So that's a way you will have to download it. So yes, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you have any questions or whatever. Just comment whatever, but keep it positive. Uh, if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank y'all again for watching. Please share this video with your family, your friends, all over your social media. Like I said, thank you for watching, and that's the end of this video. God bless.